Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Bright Health? No, install CareFirst plan verification step by step clearly. To install the CareFirst plan verification process, start by visiting the official CareFirst website. Once on the home page, look for the Member Login section. Click on the Member Login button. You will be redirected to a login page. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. If you do not have an account, look for the Register or Sign Up option. Follow the prompts to create a new account using your personal information. After logging in, navigate to the My Account section. In this section, locate the Plan Information tab. Click on the Plan Information tab to access your policy details. Check for the option labeled Plan Verification or similar. Select the Plan Verification option. You may need to provide additional information such as your member ID or date of birth. Fill in the required fields as instructed. After entering your information, click the Verify button. Wait for the system to process your request. Once verified, you will see your plan details displayed on the screen. Take note of any important information regarding coverage and benefits. If needed, download or print this information for your records. If you encounter issues during verification, look for a Help or Contact Us link. Utilize this link to reach out to customer support for assistance. Close the session by logging out to ensure your information remains secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.